I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. You beside me. Yeah.
Hey everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on with a different kind of wig review for you guys. I'm doing a collab with this lovely lady here. Her name is Kimira Jewels. I'll be doing the wig collab, me and her, which is good. I'm super excited for this, you guys.
So today we are both reviewing short wigs. I'm actually reviewing a synthetic wig. She's reviewing a human hair wig. But before we get into the details of the wigs, on my channel I usually discuss the lippy that I'm wearing. So I'm going to grab it. So the lippy that I'm wearing today is Collab. It's beautiful red color, and it is in the color Blindfold. So you've got this beautiful red color here.
Yeah, it's nice.
Thank you. And now on to the details of the wig. So today I have a really short wig. This one is actually called Nuna. It's in the color 1B. So those of you who are familiar with my channel, I usually have lots of colored wigs. Today I've opted to go for a natural colored wig, which I do wear a lot of the time, believe it or not. So this is the stock card. It's called Nuna. It's by It's a Wig. And this wig is heat safe from 350 up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It does have a lace part, so actually I will show you the cap construction. So this doesn't actually have any combs in it. You've got the adjustable straps, standard adjustable straps, and then you've got the lace part that's here at the front. So that's Nuna. So Nuna is actually a very good dupe for the mommy wig. There are a few other dupes that it's good for. I can't think of them right now, but mommy, it's a very good dupe for mommy. Very affordable. This is, I believe, retailing for under $20 at this point, so I will put some information in the description box below.
Alright everyone, I'm going to be reviewing a human hair wig as from the company OMG Her Hair. Yes. And this is the box it comes in. And inside the box you get a extra elastic band strap. They do provide you with a tail comb. And they also give you the wig caps. And onto our unit now. This is our unit here. It's a short, like pixie cut wig, and it's 180 density, and it comes with the lace, which I already cut off. But inside the wig you get two combs, one on each side, one in the middle, and you get a large comb in the nape area, which is nice, a larger comb in there. And then you get the adjustable straps, which is easier because it makes it easy for the glueless wigs. You know, you don't have to use all the got to be gel, got to be glue, whatever.
It's not fun.
It's nice with this. And the curls are nice, and it comes in a natural black color. Yeah, so this is a unit we'll be doing today.
Very cute.
Yeah. So those are the two wigs that we're going to be reviewing today. So let's get right into today's collab.
Yay! So this is what the wig looks like when you first take it out. Look at that. Hilarious. Yeah, with wigs like this, you have to do a little bit of work to it. So you're not, I mean, hey, if this is your thing, then okay, you can wear it like this, but this is the way it looks when it comes right out of the box. So I'm going to show you what it looks like once you kind of fix it up a little bit. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, styled, simply with my fingers, no brushes. So this is how it looks at the front. This is the left side. Make sure my cat is not showing. This is the left side. This is the right side. And this is the back. So you see the difference, right? Simply just by using the fingers just to fluff it a little bit and just rearrange the curls. And you've got a nice, cute, chic style. And this is the Nuna. So let me know what you think in the comments below.
Alright everyone, here is the unit I have from OMG here. And I think it looks super cute. And the parting, here's the part here. You get a deep parting. I did put some concealer on it, and I did not pluck it. No, I didn't. But you can pluck it if you want to have a bigger space. And it does go back far because the center part, the middle section is a deeper part. And I love the curls. I think it's very nice. I like it. And it's the straps I use. Like I told you, no gel, no all that stuff. I just use the straps. And it's nice. It's nice and comfortable. It's lightweight on my head, and I love it. You know, I did a review already with this, not this same wig, but another short pixie cut wig. But the difference is this one is 180 density, the other one was 150, and this one the curls are tighter. So you have more of a kinky look, and that's what I wanted. The other ones, the curls were a little straighter. You know, if that's what you like, that's fine too. But I like with a more kinkier curl, and I love the way this unit looks. And it's 180, it's still light on my head. I think it's around 8 inches. It's not 10, I think it's 8 inches. But it's very nice, and I like it. So, tell me, what do you think?
So thank you so much for watching our video today.
Yes.
Make sure you've watched mine, you've watched hers, you've got to watch on both channels.
Yes.
Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And the links will be down below.
Yes. And turn on those notifications. You do
Yes.
not want to miss our videos.
Yes.
And before we go, we got one thing that we have to do. We dance, we dance, we dance, we dance, we dance. You're so cute.
I love her wig dance. It's so nice. Every time I'm watching her videos, I wait for her to dance. It's so nice.
Bye guys.
Bye,
Thank you for
everyone.
watching. See you in the next video.
Yes. Bye.
Do